2-in-1 wireless car charger review. Product description. Wide compatibility. Wireless charger does not support fast charging. 10W wireless charging mode is only compatible with Samsung Galaxy Note 8, Note 5, S6 Edge Plus, S7 and S7 Edge. 5W wireless charging mode is compatible with iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10 and other Qi-enabled devices. 10W wireless charging is 1.2 times faster than standard 5W wireless charging. It is not compatible with Otter box, Zizo, UAG cases. Easy to use, this wireless car charger comes with a clip for air vent and suction cup for various mounting options. Hold the mobile phone firmly by the weight of the mobile phone, slide up to release the mobile phone, easy and convenient. Remove the phone case, metal mount, or credit cards before wireless charging. Adjustable view, swivel ball for various optimal viewing positions. It is easy to rotate the mobile phone facing the driver for better viewing. Only portrait mode, not compatible with landscape mode. Optimum safety, built-in smart chip supports 9, 1.67A wireless charging and 5 volts, 2A standard wireless charging, and mobile phone protection with other security functions. It is normal for a mobile phone to get warm when charging wirelessly. Packing list. 1 asterisk wireless car charger, 1 asterisk clip for venting, 1 asterisk suction cup bracket, 1 asterisk USB power cable. Specification. Max. Output power, 10W. Output interface, USB. Applied fast charge protocols, Vivo Super flashcards. Type, car charger. Power source, USB. Input 12 to 24 volts, 2.4A. Type, wireless charger car mount, Qi wireless car charger. Install way, air outlet clip plus suction cup bracket base. Fix positions, air vent mount, dashboard, windshield, table, smooth surface. Output current, 5 volts, 2A normal, 9 volts, 1.67A quick. Suitable for 4.0 to 6.5 inch smartphones. With charging cable, 1M micro USB cable. Feature, for Samsung wireless charger, for iPhone wireless charger. Phone models 1, wireless charger for iPhone XR XS Max X8 Plus. Phone models 2, USB charger for Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Usage, air vent mount dashboard windshield GPS phone holder. Shop now shoppoint29.com. Likes, comments, shares.